Across the golden desert, the fearless little fairy raced with her giant lizard companion, carrying precious treasures toward their next magical adventure.
We've all seen videos like these, but just look at how incredibly stunning they are. Every single cartoon-style animation you're seeing here has been created using a 100% free AI tool. The quality is absolutely amazing, with crisp HD visuals, smooth cinematic motion, and one of the biggest highlights is that the main female character remains perfectly consistent throughout every scene. Now, without wasting any time, let me first show you a YouTube channel called Forest Spirits. As you can see, this channel has over 25,000 subscribers and has uploaded around 60 videos so far. The best part is that the channel is fully monetized, proving that this type of AI-generated content is completely eligible for YouTube monetization. If we open the popular section, you'll notice videos with 1.9 million, 1.4 million, 500K, 400K, and 300K plus views. These videos are extremely engaging and follow a magical fantasy theme featuring a beautiful forest fairy girl. Everything is AI generated, yet the character design stays consistent across every video, making the content feel professional and highly addictive to watch. Take a moment to explore these videos one by one and notice how captivating they are. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create the same style of videos using a completely free AI workflow while keeping your main character identical in every scene. To make the process even easier, I've prepared a master prompt for you. You'll find the download link in the description below this video. This master prompt includes everything you need: a global character prompt, master image prompts, image-to-video prompts, voiceover prompts, and all the essential instructions required to generate complete story scenes. Simply copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, ChatGPT will automatically generate 8 to 10 complete scenes, including detailed image prompts, video prompts, and professional voiceover scripts. If you want a longer story, you can even generate 10, 15, or 20 scenes with the same consistent character. As you can see, all of my scenes are already prepared. Each scene includes its own image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover script. Every prompt is highly detailed and optimized to produce stunning, cinematic quality results. All you need to do is copy these prompts and save them in a document so you can use them throughout the production process. Now that everything is ready, let's move on to the image generation section and start creating our first scene. Alright everyone, now it's time to generate our images. For this step, we'll be using Gemini AI, which is one of the best free AI tools available for creating high-quality images. After opening Gemini AI, simply go to the text input section, paste your first image prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, Gemini AI immediately starts creating the image. Let's wait just a few moments. And boom! Our very first image is now ready. I generated it in a 16:9 aspect ratio, and just look at the quality. It's incredibly sharp, detailed, and looks absolutely stunning in HD. Now let's move on to the second scene. I'll copy my second prompt, paste it into Gemini AI, and click Generate once again. Within seconds, the second image is ready as well. Take a look at the result. The quality is fantastic, the details are beautiful, and everything looks highly professional. Next, I'll paste the third prompt and generate another image. After a short wait, wow! Just look at this result. The image is incredibly detailed with a premium 4K style appearance. The quality is simply outstanding. Now let's generate the fourth image. I'll paste the prompt, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and there it is. Another amazing image with excellent detail and vibrant colors. I'll continue repeating the exact same process for the remaining prompts: copy, paste, generate, and within a few minutes, all of my images are ready. Now take a look at the final results. I have successfully generated all 8 images using Gemini AI. Every image looks stunning, with crisp HD quality, beautiful lighting, and most importantly, the main character remains perfectly consistent throughout the entire story. That's one of the biggest advantages of using this workflow. The next step is very simple. Just download all of your generated images and save your favorite 4 or 5 images to your computer. We'll use these images in the next step to create smooth AI animations and turn them into cinematic videos. Now that our images are ready, let's move on to the video generation section, where I'll show you another powerful free AI tool that will transform these static images into incredible animated videos. All right, everyone, now it's time to turn our images into stunning AI videos. For this step, we'll be using Flow AI, which is one of my favorite AI video generation tools. In my experience, it consistently delivers smooth motion, cinematic quality, and impressive character consistency. First, open the Flow AI website and switch to the video section. Next, click on Upload Media and begin uploading all of the images you generated with Gemini AI. Upload them one by one until every scene has been imported into your project. The upload process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once the upload is complete, you'll see all of your images available inside the project. Now I'll select my first image. For the AI model, I'm choosing VEO 3.1 Lite, which produces excellent animation quality while keeping the workflow simple. Next, I'll paste the video prompt that ChatGPT generated for this scene, and then click the Generate button. The video generation process has now started. It usually takes a short time, so all you need to do is wait. And there it is. Our very first AI video is now complete. Just look at the result. The animation is incredibly smooth, the camera movement feels natural, and the character comes to life beautifully. Notice how the lizard moves naturally with realistic body motion and interacts in a friendly, expressive way with its companion. The AI has transformed a single static image into a vibrant cinematic animation with almost no effort. Now let's repeat the same process for the second scene. I'll select the second image, paste its corresponding video prompt, and click Generate again. After waiting for a few moments, the second animation is ready as well. Once again, the quality is outstanding. The movements are fluid, the character remains perfectly consistent, and the scene looks polished enough for professional short-form content. Rather than repeating the same steps for every scene, I'll continue the exact same workflow for the remaining images. I'll simply select each image, paste the matching video prompt, and click Generate until every scene has been converted into an AI video. After a short wait, boom! All of my videos are now finished. Take a look at these final results. Every scene has been successfully transformed into a smooth, cinematic animation with high-quality motion, consistent characters, and beautiful visual effects. This entire workflow allows you to create professional-looking animated stories without needing advanced editing skills. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found this free AI workflow helpful. As I mentioned earlier, you'll find the complete master prompt in the description below. It includes the global character prompt, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and everything else you need to recreate this entire process from start to finish. Once your videos have been generated, simply download them in 720p resolution and save them to your computer. Then, import them into your favorite video editing software. If your generated clips include a watermark or logo, you can easily remove it by adjusting the scale or crop settings, depending on the editor you're using. Finally, arrange all of your scenes in sequence, add the voiceover, background music, and sound effects, and your AI-generated story will be ready to publish on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other short-form platform. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future AI content creation tutorials. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool and another powerful workflow. Until then, take care, keep creating, and goodbye.